Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajax G here. So we're gonna get into this review for this magnetic wireless keyboard. So of course the Magic keyboard is like 250 bucks, and nobody's spending that on a damn keyboard that has a trackpad. Like, yeah. So I got this for my iPad. This is for my 11-inch iPad. So if you're looking for a keyboard to use, this is a great option. Depending on the type of case you have. Now, if you have a case that kind of props your your iPad up, you can just get like a wireless Bluetooth keyboard and connect it to your iPad as well. So it's really up to you. Um, I like the fact that the Magic Keyboard, you could just stick your iPad on it, so that's the plus, but it's not really a protective case. So there's that. So that's the instruction manual as I just showed you. I'm going to take this out of its wrapping so you can see what it looks like. Now this keyboard does have RGB keys and backlight light keys. It is Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about actually plugging it into the iPad and draining the battery. I noticed when the keyboard is connected via Bluetooth, it does drain the battery a little bit faster, but that was just maybe because day one. So I've tried it for a couple of days. So this is me just going over the review with you guys. It was the battery life got better as I used the keyboard with it. So it wasn't the keyboard, I guess, because after the update, it had to adjust and get used to it. So this is what it looks like. It has the back where it props up, and this is how the keys look. I want to say this is probably like a 40% keyboard, if you will. It's not super large, but as you see, the magnets are really strong on this device, so my iPad just connected right away. So this is how it looks. Also, I got a new camera, so I'm just trying it out. So let me know how you guys like the video, if it looks a little more clear. So the cameras can show straight from the back, and your Apple Pencil sticks right on top, and there's no issues. So it's not connected right now. So once it's connected, when you hit the any key on the keyboard, it actually wakes up the iPad. So this is me in the settings. I tried to see if I could just connect it straight out the gate, like if it would just register it because it's on. It's not. So the way that you connect it is you have to actually activate the Bluetooth keys, which I'm going to show you in just a second. If you see in the bottom left, there's a function key. So you're going to hold the function key and press C, and then you're going to see it pop up. It's going to say Bluetooth keyboard. It doesn't have like a special name, but it does pop up as that. Once it's connected, you just pair it up, and then you're ready to use it. As you see, this is how it looks in its entirety. I kept the little plastic on the trackpad, but you see the little ball, it actually reacts. And the cool part about this key and this trackpad, it actually has the gestures like a Mac does. So I really like that. So you see how when I three fingered up, it shows everything that you're working with. So that's super dope, which I really appreciate. Two fingers to swipe back and forth, and I'm going to just show you how it looks when I'm typing. Um, Please bear with me. This keyboard is really small. I don't like small keyboards, so I type kind of slow, but it works. It's fully functional. And let me show you the RGB lights. So this is it zoomed in. So this is the red color. So you're going to click the FN key and the shift key to change the brightness. Okay, so that's how you change the brightness. And then if you press the FN key and the return button, you can change the color of the backdrop. So this color is actually red. I think it goes to like a white, a blue. Yeah, so this is white, that's yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, purple, and red. So you can cycle through it. Now on the camera, the first one that I said that's white kind of looks like a baby blue, but that's my perception. I hope you guys like this review. I tried to keep it simple and short for you guys. This is about $100. There will be a link in the description down below if you want to purchase it. There's actually a 10% coupon on it right now on Amazon, so you can get it for like 90. But yeah, let me know in the description down below if you've been looking for a keyboard, or if you have a keyboard that you use that you want to share with the community that you feel might be better, except for the Magic Keyboard. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Ajax G out.